fish taco, fish taco, fish taco, man. Fish taco, fish taco, the fish taco man.
Fish taco man. Hey, g'day everybody, how's it going? Today's episode we've got some basically the same stuff I've been catching for the last couple of weeks, but I've got a different style. I've got some nice whiting, I've got some nice fresh calamari, and the trick today, the key ingredient is this ugly thing. It's a cuttlefish. It has turned black, but if you turn the other side it turns white. So there's two faces. Must be a Gemini. Anyway, the recipe that we got today is a classic fisherman's basket, fish and chips, no chips. We're going to be using cuttlefish as our chips, and I'll show you how we do it. So after we've cleaned all the whiting and fillet them all, rehydrate yourself because it's been a hard day's work, I'm going to start preparing for the cuttlefish. Have a look at this. Right, so what we do, we try and prise the flap, which is around the body, away from the main body, and then with your finger you sort of put it in between the skin and the backbone. So you put your finger across the membrane. Tough, and because it's nice and fresh, it's coming off really easily. Alright, you just de-skinned him. That's the backbone. When you go walking on the beach and you see these things lying around, that's the piece or the part of the cuttlefish, the backbone. Carefully, you either use your fingers or a knife and just tear the meat from the backbone. Alright, and there you have it, cuttlefish bone. I bet you guys never seen that before, where it comes from. That's it. So that's what we are going to be preparing to eat. As you can see, it's not a tube like a calamari, it's like a slab of white meat. Hard work. Now we're going to prepare the cuttlefish chips. So, with a sharp knife, you just want to cut them into straight lines, just like you find with chips, potato chips. Not too thick, but not too thin. Just cut them in half. There you go, cuttlefish chips. This cooking's hard work. Anyway, I've got all my ingredients ready. Got the calamari, the whiting, and star of the show, the cuttlefish chips. Whiting, batter, breadcrumbs, into the oil, calamari. I'm just going to put them into the breadcrumbs. So this is the cuttlefish chips and the squid rings. And the batter, and the oil, and the breadcrumbs. Cook them up.
These cuttlefish chips are absolutely magnificent. So much so I ate so many I ended up burning my tongue, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover at the moment. Anyways, you can see we're cooking them all up, and they just absolutely came superb. So when they get a golden colour, take them out of the fry pan, put them in the colander, strain them out of the oil, and presto, you've got yourself a plate full of cuttlefish chips, calamari and whiting all crumbed up on a plate. Sit back next to a nice warm fire, enjoy,
Fish
see you next time.
taco, fish taco, fish taco, man. Fish taco, the fish taco man.